Hi, welcome to Forbest Academy. In today's video we'll be answering another SSAT math question. Let's begin. The question says, if 9x plus 5 is equal to 32, the numerical value of 18x plus 5 is A. 59, B. 41, C. 38, D. 36, or E. 32. So we're told 9x plus 5 is equal to 32. And we're looking for the value of 18x plus 5. So solving this equation to find the value of x might be a good start. So let's begin. We'll start by taking away 5 from both sides of the equation. And we do 32 take away 5 to get 27. Now normally we would divide by 9 to get a value for x, which we could then substitute into 18x plus 5. But here's a trick tip for you that will help you save some time in your SSAT paper. We can just multiply everything here by 2, we'll get straight to the value of 18x. 9 times 2 is 18, making it 18x. And 27 times 2 is 54. So now we have the value of 18x, we just want to find the value of 18x plus 5. To do this, all we have to do is add 5. So let's add 5 to both sides. (54 plus 5 gives me 59, making the answer 59. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel.